Have you ever marveled at the intricate beauty of a leaf and wished you could capture it in your artwork? Welcome to the captivating world of leaf printing, a simple yet effective technique suitable for all artists. Today you will learn how to transform ordinary leaves into extraordinary works of art. Before we begin, ensure you have the necessary materials. Let's start with fresh leaves. Variety in shape and size adds intrigue to your artwork. Next, we'll need acrylic paint in differing hues to bring our leaf prints to life. A paintbrush will help us apply the paint evenly, while a roller ensures smooth transfer onto our canvas, which brings us to the last item, sheets of paper, the stage for our leafy performers. With these materials at your disposal, you're ready to start your leaf printing adventure. Now comes the exciting part, the creation of your leaf print. Our journey begins with the selection of a leaf. Choose wisely. The leaf you pick will be the star of your artwork. Look for one with distinct veins and edges. These details will translate into the most striking prints. Next, it's time to paint. Using a roller, apply your chosen paint onto the leaf. Be generous, but not overly so. Too much paint can blur the fine lines and textures, while too little will yield a faint, lackluster print. It's a delicate balance to strike, but with practice, you'll soon become a master. Once your leaf is coated in paint, it's ready to make its mark. Carefully place it onto your paper, painted side down. This is where the magic happens. The leaf, now a conduit of creativity, is poised to imprint its unique pattern onto the blank canvas beneath. Now, gently press the leaf onto the paper. Apply even pressure across the surface of the leaf. This is crucial to ensure that every intricate detail gets transferred onto the paper. Be patient. Let the leaf and the paint do their work. Finally, lift the leaf. Do it slowly, revealing the stunning print beneath. Marvel at the beauty that you have created. Every line, every vein, a testament to nature's artistry now immortalized on paper. And just like that, you have created a beautiful leaf print. Look at what you've created. A little piece of nature's artistry. Each leaf print you've crafted holds the magic of the natural world, revealing the intricate details and vibrant colors of the foliage. Remember, no two leaves are alike, and neither are two leaf prints. The beauty lies in their uniqueness. Dare to experiment with different leaves, different colors. Mix and match. Let your imagination run wild. Allow the leaves to tell their own stories on your canvas. Your leaf prints are more than just craft. They are your personal journey through the enchanting world of nature's artistry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nature-inspired crafting adventures. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun.